In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and St. Andrew Prep won and decided to send McAuley Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with McAuley Primary Bible knowledge. In the first verses of Psalm 100, what are we told to do unto the Lord?
Praise him.
Praise him.
Incorrect. Make a joyful noise. St. Andrew, Bible knowledge. In the first verse of Psalm 27, we are told the Lord is our light and what else?
Salvation. Salvation.
That's correct. Science. McAuley, the human skin contains nerve endings that allow us to feel sensations like touch, pain and temperature. Is this true or false?
True.
True.
That's right. Science. St. Andrew, when exposed to sunlight, the human skin produces vitamin C, which is essential for bone health. Is this true or false?
False. False.
That's correct. It's vitamin D. McAuley, local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
McCoy.
Incorrect. Mark Malaver, JTA president. Local affairs, a visual question for you also, St. Andrew. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mark Smith. Mark Smith.
Dr. Mark Smith, immediate past president of the JTA. That's correct. McAuley, English language, spell advisory.
Advisory. ADVISORY.
That's correct. English language, St. Andrews, spell acceptance.
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 That is correct. Television, a visual question, McAuley. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Got some other grasshopper? Got some other grasshopper.
Not quite. Jimmy Cricket is what we're looking for. St. Andrew Television, a visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Captain Hook. Captain Hook.
Incorrect. The Flying Dutchman. McAuley, general knowledge. Alexandria, Giza, and Suez are major cities in which African country?
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Incorrect. Egypt, general knowledge. St. Andrew, Cordoba, Rosario, and Mendoza are major cities in which South American country?
Brazil. Brazil.
Incorrect. Argentina. McAuley, social studies. What organization replaced the British West India Regiment in Jamaica in 1962? Time has passed. Would you like to try, St. Andrew?
Yes, thank you. West Indies Federation.
West Indies Federation.
Incorrect. The Jamaica Defense Force, JDF. It's now time for your question, St. Andrew. Social studies also. What is the name of the main campus of the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF?
Up Park Camp.
Up Park Camp.
That's correct. Music, a visual question, McAuley. Look at the monitor and identify this artist.
Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish.
That's right. Music, a visual question for you also, St. Andrew. Look at the monitor and identify this artist.
Peter Tosh.
Peter Tosh.
Incorrect. Kendrick Lamar. Mathematics, McAuley. What is 1 3/8 written as a decimal?
Put 12 over 0.2.
Time has passed. Would you like to try, St. Andrew?
Yes, please. 1.375.
1.375.
That is correct. Now time for your mathematics question, St. Andrew. What is the decimal 0.42 written as a fraction in its lowest terms?
21 over 50.
21 over 50.
That's right. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify. And we don't have time for that. Well, actually, McAuley, look at the monitor and identify the person. So you are given that term.
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry.
Incorrect. Jason Tatum, NBA player. Sports, a visual question for you also, St. Andrew. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Anthony Davis.
Anthony Davis.
Incorrect. Kawhi Leonard, NBA play. And that officially brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are McAuley Primary on 3 and St. Andrew Prep on 7. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Choose friends who share your goals and values. Don't be led astray into a path which is not in keeping with your standards, and your standards must always be maintained. A good tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.